In this video, I'll be fixing a leaky bathroom faucet. As you can see, the water is dripping even when the faucet is fully closed. This is not just costing money, but also waste of water. It will cost even more if the hot water is leaking. Watch this video till the end and I'll show you how I fix this issue without calling a plumber. I will start by shutting off the valve that connects to the faucet. Make sure to shut off both hot and cold water lines. The valves can be found underneath the sink. In my case, there were no valve underneath the sink, so I had to shut off the main water line that I found in my basement. Please note, it is very important to shut off the water line, otherwise it will cause a massive leak when I dismantle the faucet for repair. Now the water lines are closed, so no water is coming out of the faucet, meaning it is safe to proceed ahead. I'm going to use a flathead screwdriver and pop this cap out. Then I used a Phillips screwdriver to remove the screw. And simply pull the knob out. I will now remove this nut. Next, I will pull the cartridge out. I have two options now, either to replace the whole cartridge or just replace this black O-ring. I will go for the O-ring option as this is cheaper. Just in case if the leak does not stop, then I will replace the cartridge. I will take the old cartridge to the hardware store where I will be buying a new one, so I can get the identical one. I'm trying the cheapest option first. I will replace this outer O-ring and reinstall the cartridge. In most cases, this works good. When installing the cartridge, make sure to align this tab in the slot and push it down. Hand tighten the nut, then use a tool to tighten it. Make sure not to super tighten it, otherwise it will be difficult to open it next time if you have to. Reinstall the knob, then put the screw back in. Tighten the screw. Again, not super tight, just a snug. Install the knob cover by simply pushing it in. Now I will make sure to close both sides of the faucet. Reopen the main valve that was shut off earlier. It's time to test if the leak is fixed. There you go. The leak has stopped. Thank you for watching. Hit like if you like this video. Please subscribe my channel for more helpful videos like this.